Here is a brief overview of all the softwares in the Sunlite package. Sunlite Suite 3. This is the main piece of DMX lighting programming software. Quickly and easily program complex effects with moving fixtures. Trigger with audio, MIDI, DMX, time and many other methods. Copy scenes onto an SD card to play them without a computer. EasyView. The real-time 3D visualizer allows you to pre-program your show without lighting fixtures. This software will show you all of your lighting effects in the same way as if your actual lighting fixtures were connected to your computer. This software is not required to program your show. However, if you do not have the equipment available, it allows you to preview your work and project yourself very easily. Scan Library Editor. Create your own profiles or modify existing profiles for lighting fixtures. Most of the time, you won't have to use Scan Library Editor, since the profiles of all major brands of fixtures provider are included in Sunlite. If you can't find it, then you need to add it with Scan Library Editor. Then you can create your own lighting profile. Hardware Manager. This is an essential tool for configuring and testing your DMX interface. Program many functions, including the update of the firmware, the configuration, and the test of your hardware.